Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Backyard Bronco. Welcome to Backyard Broncos. My name is Carlos, and this is my new YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Backyard Bronco. Today guys, we're going to get the body onto the cart. I don't know, my last episode was about me building this cart. So it's sturdy, and we just have to figure out how to get the body onto the cart. So we're going to do that tonight. For those of you who are new to this channel, this show is about my dream and my journey in bringing this bad boy back to life. It's a 73 Bronco. This show is for the novices, the weekend warriors, the guys, the do-it-yourselfers, you know, the guys that don't know where to begin and have a project car laying around. This show is for you. So if you need help, just like I do, subscribe. This show is for all of us who are new to this. So if you like Broncos, or you like cars, or you just want to watch my dogs laying around chilling, subscribe. Or even if you just want to make fun of me, subscribe. And let's get this show started. So all I did was I just moved the body, actually the whole frame and body to that side of the backyard. I have a long driveway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the body over there, put it onto the cart, and then bring the frame on this side. I'm going to work on the frame on this side of the backyard. I have more space, it's just better. So before I do that, I'm just going to do a little quick sweep, just to get a bunch of stuff that was under the Bronco, just to get it out of the way. Hey guys, so in order to do this, I went to Harbor Freight and I got a couple things. I got a new jack. I got a 3-ton floor jack, the low profile one. I got a good deal on them. And I also got these are on sale, some heavy duty 6-ton jack stands. And I borrowed a pair from my brother-in-law. He has some 12-ton ones. Those are really big. But you're gonna need at least 4 jack stands. Reason is, what I'm gonna do, I don't know if you could see, but the body is actually sitting on those 4x4s. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna raise it up with the jack, and then I'm gonna put the jack stands on the 4x4s and basically suspend it in midair. I'm gonna get the frame, pull the frame this way, and then I'm gonna go and take this cart and I'm gonna slide it under there and slowly drop one side, take out the 4x4, and then drop the other side and take out the 4x4. And then eventually just leave the body on this cart. So that's the goal. Let's see how it works. Let's see how it pans out. So I need to read instructions. Okay, let's read instructions. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It works. So now that we got this squared away, let's start. Where do we start? Hey guys, so before I do that, I'm actually gonna have to cut some 2x4s and maybe a couple pieces of this just so I could lay down the make stuff a little higher. I can push up the frame. I don't know what I call it. Some shimmies, I guess. Like they work like shimmies. I don't know. I'm just gonna cut up a bunch of pieces. Okay, cool. I think that might be enough. So that'll be enough. Okay, so I don't know if you could see. Let me zoom in a little bit. That's where we're gonna be working at. I'll be there right now. Hey guys, so don't do this at home. So I actually cut those pieces of 2x4 to actually slide and get a better grip with the jack. I don't know if you can see, but they're centered right about there. So the jack's not going high enough, so I need to put another 2. I'll put another 3 shimmies. Okay. Oops. What was that? Oh, that was a little wire that was stuck. I think it was a little wire. Okay. Oh yeah, it was. It was a brake line that I was gonna cut out. I forgot to cut out. So this is what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna put a shimmy on this jack stand. Actually, I think this would be better. It worked, guys. Okay, so now let's do the bottom, the back, I mean. Okay guys, so now we're gonna do the bottom. The back end. So I'm just gonna use the same method. I'm gonna pick it up from this. This is pretty solid, this little piece right here. Actually, I might need to go a little higher. Okay, let's go. In reality, I could just shimmy this up, hold it from there. I'm actually going to hold it from here, from the bottom end. Okay guys, so I don't know if you could see what I did. I forgot to record it, but anyways, I put a piece of 2x4 there and one on this side, and I just dropped and it worked. It's sustaining it, it's holding it for right now until we get the cart in here. So I'm gonna slide out the frame and then see where we go from here. Before there's some stuff I need to cut off before I could separate it, so I'm gonna do that right now. And then I found some bricks, so what I'm gonna do with the bricks is I'm actually gonna raise the bottom of the jack stand, whatever the brick is, and I'm gonna put another piece of wood. So it should work. Hey, so I had to actually raise the jack stand. It's a little bit smaller than this. What happens is this 2x4 has to clear the back end of that frame. So it has to be higher than the back end so the frame could actually slide through. So so I have to get this spot about 2 more inches higher. So what I did was I made a stable bed with some extra bricks I had laying around, and I put the jack stand on. So this is the highest the jack stand goes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually add some this is actually 2x8s or 2x6, whatever it is. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So this is the moment of truth. Let's see how this goes. Okay. It looks like it stood up. It's holding. So let's see if we could take out the frame now. Okay guys, so now what we're going to do is we're actually going to move the frame. Let's roll it out. Let's see if this works. No. It worked. Yes. Okay guys, so now we separated the frame. I'm just gonna pull out the whole frame a little bit more, and I'm gonna put the cart over there. Let's see how it works. Okay guys, so now it's the moment of truth. I'm gonna set up the cart and I'm gonna actually drop it on the cart. I have to figure this out. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're actually gonna drop the body onto this cart and see if it works.